Good morning, my dear student. Most welcome to the online classes of SBPS. In this video for 12th class in English Hornbill, Flamingo. I will teach you lesson number 5 Indigo. Now, the summary of the lesson I will teach you. जो summary story होती है पढ़ाऊंगा. The story of this lesson is about चंपारण region. एक चंपारण क्षेत्र बिहार पड़ता है उसके बारे में. And the main character of the story is a farmer whose name is राजकुमार शुक्ला. And about गांधी जी. गांधी जी के बारे में होता क्या है कि द फार्मर्स इन द ब्रिटिश रूल्स वर वेरी इन मिजरेबल कंडीशन, बहुत ही दयनीय दशा में थे. दे डोंट हैव इनफ टू फीड देयर फैमिली, सो दे वर वेरी ट्रबल्ड, इसलिए वे बहुत कष्ट में हुआ करते थे. राजकुमार शुक्ला हैज हर्ड द नेम ऑफ गांधी जी. ही थॉट दैट इफ ही मीट गांधी जी तो ऑल हिज प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉल्व्ड. दैट इज वाई देयर वाज ए कन्वेंशन इन नखलौ. गांधी जी हैज टू गो देयर, गांधी जी को वहाँ पे जाना था. द इंफॉर्मेशन केम टू नो, शुक्ला को बारे में पता चली. एंड ही रीच देयर. गांधी जी मीट्स हिम फॉर अ लिटिल टाइम एंड इंस्ट्रक्टेड हिम टू मीट हिम टू दिस प्लेस एंड दैट प्लेस ऑन दैट डे. द फार्मर डिड नॉट गिव अप. उसने अपना जो आदत थी उसको नहीं छोड़ा उसको. ही वेंट एवरीवेयर, ही फॉलोड गांधी जी एवरीवेयर व्हेनेवर ही वेंट. उन्होंने हर जगह पीछा किया जहाँ वह गए. वैन गांधी जी सा द ऑब्स्टिनेट एंड firmness in Rajkumar, then he agreed to go with him. He told him to come to me on this day and he will pick up from there and they will board a train. So on the fixed day they board a train and reached Muzaffarpur. In Muzaffarpur he wanted to meet a lawyer whose name was Rajendra Prasad, who later became the president of India. But at that time when Gandhi ji and Rajkumar reached there, the latter was former was not present there, means Rajendra Prasad वहाँ नहीं थे. So Rajkumar took Gandhi ji to Rajendra's house. The servant of Rajendra Prasad thought Gandhi ji another peasant, so they made a mistake on the ground. When Rajendra Prasad came on the next day and met Gandhi ji, he became very sorry for his servant. अपने नौकरों के लिए बहुत दुखी हुए थे. And Gandhi ji told all about the injustice done by the British to the farmers in Champaran region. Then they agreed to file a case in the court. Gandhi ji filed the case. The hearing of the case was done. उसकी सुनवाई होनी थी. So he Gandhi ji went. All the other farmers had also gathered around the court. The judge became very fearful when he heard. जब उसने सुना all the person had come and he has to requested Gandhi ji to make him pacify, उनको शांत करने के लिए. At last the verdict came from the judge. नतीजा आया था कि only 20% of the sharecropper will be returned to the farmer. Gandhi ji agreed to it and thus the चंपारण एपिसोड was ended. इस प्रकार से चंपारण का जो एपिसोड था वो अंत हो गया था. गांधी जी ने चंपारण की लड़ाई को जीत लिया था. In the when Gandhi ji remained in Champaran region for about 3 months, then he sent telegram to his ashram in Ahmedabad. Once also he has some problems. The British officer ordered him to leave Champaran, but Gandhi did not do so. So he was arrested. उन्हें गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया था. And at last the verdict was in his favor. This is the story of this lesson. ये कहानी है. As a homework, dear student, I am giving you some questions. मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, which you will try to give their answers. Your question number first one is, why do you think? Why do you think? आप क्यों सोचते हो गांधी Gandhi considered the Champaran episode to be a turning point in his life. Question number second will be for your homework. What do you know that? How do we know that? How do we know that ordinary people to contribute to the freedom movement. These are the two questions which you will try to give their answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.